Discover the transformative benefits of the Herbs in Me LLC, your ultimate partner for holistic wellness. Our premium herbal extracts are meticulously crafted to fuel your body and mind, offering natural energy boosts that empower you to seize the day. Each extract is sourced from nature's finest herbs, designed to enhance immunity and promote vitality. Imagine waking up refreshed, energized, and ready to take on any challenge. With our easy-to-use formulations, integrating wellness into your daily routine has never been simpler. Say goodbye to fatigue and embrace a revitalized life filled with zest and purpose. Dive into the world of holistic health today. Your journey toward vibrant living starts here.